So I'm in the middle of Sunport Takamatsu. It's maybe the biggest green space in Takamatsu by the sea. And this is probably the last time we're seeing it this way. I have lots of memories here, like I guess many people who live in Takamatsu. One of my very, very first memory of Takamatsu is here, just getting off the bus, having a walk, and starting tomorrow, the day after tomorrow, construction is going to start here, and this lawn is not going to be here anymore. They are building a very big sports center, which should look awesome. The architects are SANAA, who you know from Naoshima, Inujima and Teshima Art, Kazuyo. I'm forgetting her name, I'm sorry. And Ryu Nishizawa, Kazuyo Sejima and Ryu Nishizawa are two very renowned architects. Their building should look awesome, but it will be right here. It will look very good from the sea, but there will be no more green space here to play. The big tent has already been, this white structure is called Big Tent Plaza, and it's already taped out. Can't go anymore. It's going to be removed very soon, I guess. And this is it. I guess this is farewell, at least in that way, in that shape. I guess I will document the construction if it's interesting. We'll see. Bye bye.